let's look at Enterprise Resource Planning, or ERP systems. It's an integrated system that can collect and process data and manage and coordinate resources, information, and function throughout an organization. A typical ERP system has a lot of different components, including hardware, software, procedures, and input from all the functional areas to integrate information for the entire company. Most ERP systems should use a unified database to store data for various functions, so they share the same database. In this picture that you can see that there is one database and all of these functional areas can share that one database, and they all will have access to the part of data that they need to have access to. So the access control is very important in designing your ERP systems, because as you can see, all of these functional areas can access the same database. This table summarizes the functions of each of the components. Unified database is one of the components of the ERP. It collects and analyzes relevant internal and external data and information needed by the other functions. Inventory management is one component, provides inventory status and inventory forecast. Supply chain is another component which provides information on supply chain members, including suppliers, manufacturing, and customers. Manufacturing is another component, provides information about the products and cost. Human resources is another component which provides information on assessing job candidates, scheduling and assigning employees, and predicting future personnel needs. CRM is another component of the ERP which provides information regarding on customers and their needs and preferences. Accounting is another component which provides related information relating to purchasing functions and including their financial, basically debits and credits. Vendor integration, which provides information regarding the vendors such as offering an automated downloads of data on product pricing, specification, and availability. E-commerce is another component of the ERP which provides business to business or business to consumers transactions. And sales is another component of ERP which provides information on sales and marketing. Now let's look at some of the benefits of a well-designed ERP system. It can increase availability and timeliness of integrated information. It can also increase data accuracy and improve response times. It could improve customer satisfaction, employee satisfaction. It can improve planning and scheduling. It can improve supply relationship. It can improve reliability of information. Also, it can reduce the inventory cost, it can reduce the labor cost, as well as reduction in order to fulfillment time. ERP also has some drawbacks, such as high cost, difficulties in installation, can be very expensive, and also you need to do a lot of extensive training, and compatibility problems with the legacy systems. Most ERP systems are available as modules, so they are kind of a modularized systems, so that the company can actually purchase only the components that they need. They don't have to buy all of these modules and then implement module by module. So it can keep the costs down for the organization. So they don't have to buy the whole different functions. They can just maybe buy a couple of functions that they need. There are a lot of vendors that offer ERP. Some of the famous ones are SAP, Oracle, Microsoft. These are basically the three competitors that are out there. And then there are a lot of open source ERPs that maybe there is a little cost, and a lot of different ERP systems are being offered as cloud services as well, so that the small, medium-sized company can take a benefit of that as well. So let's look at some of the key terminologies. At the end of this chapter, we talked about collaborative filtering, collaborative planning, forecasting, and replenishment, customer relationship management, e-marketplace, electronic data interchange, ERP systems. Also, we talked about enterprise system, knowledge management system. We also talked about some key terminology such as online auction, personalizations, reverse auction, supply chain management. So, in summary, supply chain exists in both service and manufacturing organizations. The chain varies in different organizations and industries. CRM systems help organizations make better use of their data and knowledge to understand their customers. ERP system can also use a unified database to store data for various functions. An ERP system can be implemented in modular format so that it can lower the cost of the companies in order to implement the ERP systems.